Ever wondered how to find the exact peak or valley of a curve just by looking at its equation? Today, we're diving into the powerful world of quadratic equations to uncover their hidden sweet spot using a technique called completing the square. By the end of this journey, you'll not only understand how to convert a standard quadratic equation into its elegant vertex form, but you'll also see why this form is so incredibly useful for understanding parabolas. Our goal is to transform this standard quadratic equation into its vertex form, which looks like f of x equals a of x h squared plus k. Think of it like finding the exact peak of a roller coaster track. The vertex form tells us exactly where that peak is and what its height is. First, we factor out the coefficient of x squared, which is 2, from the first two terms. This sets us up for the next step. Next, we need to complete the square inside the parenthesis. We take the coefficient of x, which is 18, divided by 2 to get 9, and then square it to get 81. We add and subtract this 81 inside the parenthesis to keep the equation balanced. Now, we can rewrite the expression as a perfect square trinomial, x plus 9 caret 2. Distributing the 2 and simplifying further, we get our final vertex form, f of x equals 2x plus 9 squared plus 8. And there it is, the vertex form of our quadratic equation. This form tells us the vertex is at minus 9, 8, which is the lowest point of our parabola. So next time you see a quadratic equation, remember the power of completing the square. It's not just about algebra. It's about finding the hidden peak or valley of a curve.